here. In fact, your page is so full.
It's full.
Your page,
It's not
your
all that
page,
full.
your
Oh, we are
page.
just managing.
There is queue today. There is so much queue.
I,
Greetings,
I am sorry
everybody.
for keeping you waiting, my brother.
Yes, yes. The first station here na zone Orega chief. Orega fuel chief na station here.
Come
Who is
on,
that?
humble lion. Triple M. Triple M. He said that
Yes,
my
my brother,
that, that I'm.
my brother, he said he has a long queue. I say yes, in his first station in the zoo, he's selling more
Okay,
cheaper than others.
okay. Now I understand. Okay, yeah. Greetings, everybody here this day, and I want to thank God that we are all alive to see what is playing out,
Mm.
and we were here when we think it's not gonna work. I wish you Lozor Abeze can stand this, and I want to thank God that the prayers we are making here, the prayers are really, really, really effective. The prayers are effectively effective. When you do anything on the platform of truth, nothing can battle it. So I, number one, wish to say that yes, sometimes we act based on anger, but we should not overreact so that we don't cause harm. Because the person you have issues today, you people might settle it tomorrow, no matter the heat of it.
Exactly.
So, that is why you shouldn't cross the line when you have misunderstanding with people. And you should play with caution when you have quarrel. One of my lecturers once told me this. When you have issues with friends, play with caution because it does not end in school. After school, your worst enemy might become your best partner in that business, environment.
Mm-hmm.
So I am saying this to say no to the what do I say,
The post.
the post of my brother,
Humble lion.
speaking as though he wished this one to die. I don't wish him to die. Sometimes we say, let my enemy not die, but let him live and see what I will be in future. There are some people that don't need to die, but they should live and watch the shame they have brought to themselves. You understand? So I am not really in support of that, and I want to suggest, though it's not, but though, in fact, like I said, I know that it was done in anger for what this guy has really done. The names he has called Dr. Ngozo Rabezi, and the likes of Reverend Unai can never tender apology for the things, the damages he has done on this woman. But we don't wish him to die anyway. So that is on that. I know it was coming from, coming from anger. So this is you. Now now your platform is now buried. Maybe he may have something in mind, but this is the way he placed it. But the rest in peace stuff, I think, if possible, should be withdrawn. Then I listened to that man. You know, when a man is full of pride and arrogance, he becomes an extremist. If he should do one, he do two. Who is he to say Humble Lion should apologize to Biafrans? Who is he? This man is equaling himself to Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. Who is that man? You are faceless. We don't know you. Your platform, you said they have gone to 80,000 to 100,000 and above. And yet, at this point, we should be knowing who you are. Now, every time you come and brag, show us who you are, how the weight you have, and look at, even with all this weight you have, you usually don't get carried. They consider that having a heavyweight champion in the media, that everything about Ngozi Oronbese will collapse. That woman, by God's grace, God is helping her. You formed another group. You said you are going to go to autopilot with the gangsters and the rest of them coming together with the hijacked account. How many days now? It's not, let's give you days. Even with you, I don't know who said yes with Biafra Unite and let me choose yes and the other. Let them be there doing the needful. What has happened? So, when we tell people that Nnamdi said, tell our people the truth, they will follow you. Anytime you turn around to say lie, the same way they will desert you. In fact, I want to say here that for me, Dr. Dr. Abeze has been vindicated. It means that everything this woman has said is true with what is happening. I'm telling you, I don't have to withdraw. I am not mixing words in what I'm saying. This is social media. I want to repeat that with what has happened so far till now, the religious, he said they are very, we know what he wanted to say. It's not easy for him to say it now due to the shoulders he has rubbed severally. He has fallen deep into another Arab that she may not want to say so that she will not feel hurt or whatever. We know what he wants to say. We are equals. We are not foolish. So, from what I see, Dr. Ngozi Abese is now vindicated. And I thank God for that. Now, going to the other things he said here, you know, Mr. Khan, that sometimes you will lie for a little time. There's something sometimes you did a program here. I told you, a man that have been in the three groups, and yet now you are deciding not to be in any group, you should be feared. In fact, you are worse than all. I'm telling you, some of them that think they have big platform have used their big platform to do more harm than good in what we are doing. Sometime I told you on this platform that Rebbe Juice was used as a watchdog. Go and listen to, I don't know, keep him on the gate. Why the eating and drinking and fighting and beating is going on? Anybody that crosses back, don't let anybody. But I told you that Patience Jonathan asked the people, the women that came to them, were you informed? And I asked on this program, let me choose, were you informed? You have joined us again, were you informed? You went to 40 group, let me choose, were you informed? You don't know what is happening, you are just outside calling a woman, psychiatric woman, Ramatu, I don't know what they are saying. I don't know the name. Fulani woman, this old woman fabricated a lie from her kitchen. Maybe why she was making soup or why she was even in the toilet. She came out and said, yes, if I push this name in social media, Ngozi Orameze will collapse in the next few days. And till now, the Honorable Fulani is gradually dying. It's dying naturally. Nobody, you can't hear it more now. Now, you join the first group. I told you, I asked you on this platform, let me just, were you informed? Did you know what goes on in the caucus? Do you know the agreement? Do you know the deal? Do you know what is happening? Have you made your inquiries? How do you call yourself a seer? What kind of self-acclaimed seer are you? Now you moved in there. You asked everybody to join Ogenkere. You apologize to Ogenkere. Now the apologies you gave to Ogenkere that you got him a criminal is not. It has resurfaced again before you that truly you have been dealing with a criminal, a known one, an ex-convict in America for that matter. Now you come up again
Draken,
and join
what's wrong with
another
you?
group, asking people to join you in that group. They said with you and the Biafra Unite, in the next few days, Ngozi Orameze will collapse. Let me just say, went there. They placed you on the gate again as a cook, a backing dog. Anything that comes around, back. Anything, whether it goes up, in fact, from afar, stand back and call them lets. Make sure you bring them down, especially the other one that has the other end, because all her mates, we won't have them. But what was happening inside was unknown to you. You don't know why you were there. You don't know what you are doing there. When you want to open your eyes, when you want to open your mouth, they ask you to close your eyes. You open your mouth, they ask you to close your mouth. You make your body movement, they say you should stand still. We keep you at this gate. We need not ask you to look inside. Do not look inside. Don't ask us why are we eating that meat. Don't ask us what is happening on the table. We ask you to be on the gate alone. Maybe just not informed. And that is why you are falling out and falling in every now and then. My dear brother, I want to say, in every betrayal, there is always a harm. The Bible says that we should not be tossed about by every wind of doctrine. Don't listen to everything. You don't swallow. You must test. All the if they want to give a little child medicine back then in the village, the mom will hold back the person, hold him very tight, close the person's nose. The medicine they will force the medicine inside the mouth. Before the person will cry, he will swallow it with force. Now, if you see that kind of forceful intake of medicine, if they ask you the test, you will not know. How did you take it? You don't know. The only thing is know that Bobby helped me close my nose and they poured that thing inside me and I don't know how I swallowed it. That is just what is happening to me. You swallowed what you never tested. You ate what you never tested. You must test before you eat. You must look before you leap. Now you have gone round and you are telling us that you are retiring. When you are retiring and you say men on ground, who will direct people? Who will support? How will you tell your people or where to go and give support so that men on ground will be taken care of? Then who will give that support so that money will be raised for men on ground? Let me tell you this. I said this here. Benjamin Netanyahu said that God forbid that they watch these infidels rob them of their God-given civilization. If you read things fall apart, Okonkwo did not just fight the white that came. Okonkwo beat up and even strangled the white man. Not only that he hated them, what they did was to take Nwayi, the son of Okonkwo, and Nwayi returned home. Nwayi said that his name is no longer Nwayi but Isaac. Who does that? You have changed my identity. You have taken my land. You've taken my religion. Now you are changing the identity of my only son. That man said, I will never live and watch this happen. And that was why he went into jungle justice and, committed suicide. I am pleading with everybody here. For this moment, I have come to realize that Madame Gozora Besi have not lied to Biafrans. I've never lied to Biafrans. He said things about, I don't know, Ruben Lati, Imam Madabu, and the rest of them. Religious is indirectly confirming it to be true. Religious, not indirectly, he has confirmed it to be true. They only employed him as a watchdog. And now he has realized that all what they do is to employ you. Attack, 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 attack. So that it will be easier for us to win souls for us. And now he has realized. Please, if you're here, try as much as possible to do everything within your reach to support the United States of Biafra government. And let's see how far they can push this fight to. Had it been these people, I wonder how God will bless such a man because a lot of people have died for what he did. Okay, Kere, Imam and his cohorts, if they have not done this, or in anger, went underground and decided not to do anything, and said, God, okay, carry on, let's see how far you can go. This is, what is it called? Biafran Liberation Army. Manage them. We would have gone further than where we are today. But what these people did is that if I am not there, nothing will happen and nothing must happen. They fought this woman and tore everywhere apart. In this platform, maybe you, I don't know if it is you or Kellen that has said, anywhere you see Adade Oramba, any organization, you move in and see Adade Oramba, run away. Run away. You see, from the time of Mazisa Molemba, Adade Oramba was there feeding the outside with the information of the inside.
I am the one that said
Then
that.
Dr. Gozo Rabese now came in. This woman was inside, feeding the outside with what is happening inside until it. And let me tell you, anytime she do this, she will come out and say, Lena Basabo, Lona this cabinet, little did we know that the person who said, who best, who is the one that fought, is the same person responsible for it. Oh, this woman. No, I will not be surprised that it could be Adade Oramba that let the picture of Biafra Unite out. And she was equally the first person to start analyzing that picture on social media. Some people were just suspecting, but when it comes to reality of placing this picture both in a mockery way and analyzing according to her, she was the main. In fact, it was through Adade Oramba that this picture of Biafra Unite went more viral than it should have gone.
Exactly.
Believe that check. It is this woman that used her platform to make this picture go more viral than it should have gone. Don't be surprised that Adade Oramba is not far from it. And I want to say here that I say on this platform that if Remy Jews and the Biafra Unite could see Adade Oramba as their best when it comes to this agitation, I think people should be aware then. People should beware Biafra Unite, beware Remy Jews. If Adade Oramba becomes their best, or if Adade Oramba is their best when it comes to this movement, I want to say that you can never have it all the time. It is just for a moment. The truth must be let out. And I want to thank God for what is playing out today. Men on ground, I still advise you. If you are a man or woman on ground, and you are seeing Adade Oramba as a woman to follow, be careful. I don't know who among men on ground who may be listening to you or who may listen to you hereafter. It is my humble advice. I appeal to you, my brothers and sisters who are doing the needful, who are suffering, that our land be protected. Please, please. You see this woman that came on social media and told us that her phone was hacked. You see this woman that have gone to 3 groups. You see this woman that is doing everything possible, to sabotage this thing. The woman that, what he said yesterday is not what she contradicts when she say another thing today. Please, men on ground. If you are on constant communication with Adade Oramba, beware. I appeal to you. I advise you. I plead with you. Please be very, very careful. You are dealing with a snake. In fact, it is better you shut down your phone than to have communication with another. It's my humble advice to whoever it is. Now, I want to thank God that Biafra Unite have really loved to use Gentle to play a very good propaganda. But thank God, even in his recent broadcast, he never mentioned those are amazing. This is a disappointment to them. When this Biafra Unite was talking, they killed the brother of Gentle came up and said it. What Ugo 247 said contradicts the report Biafra United said. It means that this guy is deadly. He will make so many things to confuse people that are following him. Biafra Unite, what are you waiting for? Come up with your autopilot. You are a giant in media, and yet you are fumbling. For the very first time, anytime you are broadcasting, you will see comments, people lambasting you, people using acoustic statement on you. Since this year, this is a man, whenever you are talking, everybody will start to listen. But today, people abuse you. It should let you know that you have gone the wrong way. It is not late for you to return back and do the needful, or